Kokand in Fergana Valley is considered to be a very fascinating traditional and historical city that is mainly composed of water canals and fountains. Walking through its streets allows visitors to experience centuries of history, beautiful architecture, vibrant markets, and the warm hospitality of the local people. Every neighborhood has something interesting to discover, ranging from the historical buildings to the specially designed and manufactured and architecture, along with a variety of ornamental work on the doors. Especially metal doors are very famous here. The city's most famous landmark is its magnificent Khan Palace, especially its colorful ceramics, mosaics, carved wooden ceilings, elegant courtyards, and richly decorated entrance reflect the glory of the former rulers of Kokand. This is not only confined to a specific place, rather, all of these specialties are scattered and they reflect that as every nook and corner of the city has adopted this art and culture. Every detail displays the remarkable craftsmanship of local artisans. As you leave the historic center, narrow streets lead through quiet residential neighborhoods. Traditional Uzbek houses with decorative gates, flower filled gardens, grapevines, and fruit trees are very common. Somewhere you find such types of shopping plazas and the shopping centers where you can find edible items, and you also have the chance to meet the local people who are sitting nearby. Let us talk to these people. Здравствуйте. Здравствуйте. Assalamu alaikum. كيف حالك؟
Where are you from?
Ви можете догадаться, откуда я? Попробуйте.
Saudi?
Да, откуда я? Вы можете
India.
догадаться? No. Около Индии.
Bangladesh?
Да, я.
Pakistan?
Да, я
Индия?
из Пакистана. Правильно. Хорошо. Что важно увидеть здесь? Это старый город. И это старый город. Я вижу, что это очень красиво. Очень красиво, очень чистый город. И что важно увидеть здесь?
Muzey.
Музей,
Muzey.
музей, парк,
Müslümanlar.
там парк. Прямо.
Это Çorlu'ya var. Çat görsüz.
Да, да. Tourist park. Tourist park. They provided us a lot of information regarding the city. They told us, though it is a famous market and the famous avenue in the city, but you can discover the most wonderful architecture, buildings, parks, museums everywhere in the city. So we are heading in that direction where we can find these wonderful pieces of interest. The local bazaars are full of color and activity throughout the day. Vendors sell fresh bread, seasonal fruits, vegetables, spices, dried fruits, and handmade sweets. The aroma of grilled kebabs, freshly baked samsa, and traditional bread fill the air. Small shops also display embroidered fabrics, ceramics, handicrafts, and locally made souvenirs. These are commonly found when you are wandering on the footpaths or the walkways everywhere in the city. Especially, these are available when you are wandering close to any park, museum, or any public place. Such type of ornaments, tile work, and the face designs are very common in Konkan, and people take a fancy to have the front of their houses designed by these types of wonderful artworks. One of the greatest players of wandering through Kokand is watching everyday life unfold. Children play in neighborhood parks, students walk to schools and universities, cyclists move through quiet streets, and shopkeepers warmly welcome customers. The relaxed pace allows visitors to appreciate authentic local culture. These types of parks are very common in every part of Konkan, where you can relax for a longer period of time. That is the best place to enjoy your noon time. It is recommended that if you bring some sort of edible items with you, you can have some sort of a dinner here or lunch here, depending upon the time of the day. But the most suitable time to spend here is the midday time, where you will not only find a lot of local people are visiting the same place, but you also have a vastness and clean environment surrounding you. It is a very quiet and calm place to enjoy the real essence of the Uzbek society. These are not just parks or the spaces for having a physical activities, sports, cycling, but these are also attached with some sort of theaters, museums, or many other entertainment places. After enjoying the events, you can walk and have a relaxed time depending upon your time of visiting this place. Many historical events are reflected here in this park. For example, the philosophers, the historians, the politicians, the leaders who contributed a lot in the history of Uzbekistan are venerated, respected here. This is a wonderful way to remind the upcoming generations about the history and the achievements of Uzbek society. It is not only a sort of entertainment but also a part of education as well. If you wish to enjoy a peaceful time Daytime is the best, not only for relaxation, but also to enjoy the videography and to meet with the local people. But if you wish to have a wonderful events and to see the real peak of the life in Konkan, evening time is the best. The entire society of Uzbekistan is based upon the strong traditional linkings. That is why they prefer to discuss their history, art, literature, and everything they belonged once when they were the part of very important event of the history, that was the part Silk Road. They consider that basically they introduced the entire world the love for each other, the respect for each other, the mixing with others, the art of living, enjoying the life, how to contribute peacefully for the society, and everything that is beneficial for the entire humanity. It is said that Konkan Park offer shady walking paths, flower gardens, fountains, and benches where families spend their leisure time. Equally, these parks are attached with some sort of a wonderful entertainment centers like theaters, museums, where you can enjoy a variety of evening entertainments, and also you have a wonderful and a peaceful time of your life while mixing with the local people. During the evening, this place becomes a very famous spot among the local people. They do come here not only to have a fun, but also to meet each other, to discuss their important family matters. And as this is exactly at the location where you can find the public transportation in every direction easily, so that is a very hot spot and very famous among the local people. Now look how neat and clean and especially calm environment is this one. Huge a space is stretched in front of you. You can not only relax here, but also you can enjoy the most peaceful events of your life in this park. You discover the nature, you discover the history and the art, you discover the traditions of Uzbek society. Adjacent to this park, you discover a variety of cafes and traditional tea houses. Traditional tea houses provide excellent places to rest while observing daily life. Friends gather over cups of green tea, discuss current events, and enjoy local dishes. Restaurants serve delicious Uzbek specialties. Now let us ask some information about this place.
Ezbinite diye vishki pazal usta. Bir majlis kazıt kak nazi vitsa eta mista.
Cami masjid.
Jame masjid. Eta tolka jame masjid. Spasiba, balshe spasiba.
Your best guides are the local people. Keep asking and keep exploring. You will find wonderful places which are not publicly open to every person or the tourist. This is a main mosque or a Jame Masjid. It is a very famous place here in Konkan, especially its verandas and the artwork on the verandas. The pillars are inscripted with holy verses, and the artwork which are taken from the traditional and the historical background of Uzbek society. The best way to discover the main spots in Konkan is explore everything by walking. However, you can take many shared taxis, small buses, bicycles, and many other modes of transportation which are not expensive at all. But wandering like this one provides you a lot of information and entertainment regarding the Uzbek society. Because people of Konkan are well known for their friendliness and hospitality. Visitors are often greeted with smiles and polite conversation. Local residents are usually happy to offer directions or recommend places to visit, making travelers feel welcome. Yes, let us ask about this place.
Ezviniye te dievishka pazal usta vi mazide skazat kak nazi vitsa etamista.
Русский язык не...
Ah, ruski язык не English. Do you speak English? No? Russia.
It is important to observe that mostly people understand Russian language, but still there are a few people who don't know even Russian language. English is known but very rare. A leisurely walk through Konkan reveals much more than its famous monuments. It offers an opportunity to admire a beautiful architecture, observe authentic daily life, experience the rich culture of the Fergana Valley, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere that makes this historic city one of Uzbekistan's most rewarding destinations. The people of Konkan are known for preserving the rich traditions of the Fergana Valley while embracing modern life. As you walk through the city, you will notice a strong sense of community, hospitality, and respect for family values. Daily life unfolds a relaxed pace, allowing visitors to observe authentic Uzbek customs and traditions. Family is at the heart of Konkan society. It is common to see several generations living together or visiting one another throughout the day. Grandparents often care for young children while parents work. And also, the most important thing to observe is that they are very fond of walking, and these types of walkways are very common throughout the city. On these walkways, the entire families gather and walk, moving to parks, restaurants, and tea houses. It is a very common culture. Instead of using transportation, the best way to reach from one point to the other point in the city is by walking on these walkways. Such types of canals or water channels are spread throughout the city, and along these water channels there are wonderful spots for relaxation. Up and restaurants are here. You can enjoy every sort of meal at affordable price. Enjoying food at some desired places is a very common culture in Kokand. Meals are an important part of social life. Families often gather around a shared table to enjoy traditional dishes such as plow, lagman, manti, shashlik, fresh salads, and warm Uzbek bread. Sharing food symbolizes friendship, generosity, and unity. Generally, the reservations are done before arriving upon the desired places, and it is not only having a dinner or lunch at wonderful place but also to observe the beauty of the surrounding environment. Generally, traditional tea houses are part of the restaurants. So,
Yeah. Oh, saya gwariat vi Pakistanesh to Uzbekistanski ludioshn mille tihe dobrodushne zizan radasne gasti primne это 100% правда. Мне это очень нравится. Когда я решил приходить здесь, я думал, что это будет маленький город. Ну, это большой город.
У нас средний город. Не маленький, не большой, средний город. Это у нас как, например, за городом, да? Самая главная столица Ташкент, после него Фергана идет, а здесь маленький город.
Хорошо. Здесь очень интересно. Здесь это чистый город. Тоже мне нравится старый город. Особенно архитектура и старый город. Это очень-очень хорошо. Мне это...
it is said that Kokand is a city of traditionally rich people. In other words, it is said that if you wish to enjoy really a peaceful and calm life, do come to Fergana Valley. It is not only affordable, but it provides you a conducive environment to enjoy your relaxed time. Wherever you go, you find wonderful walkways leading to either parks, museums, theaters, or the markets. So, in one way, you find not only the entertainment but also you can accomplish most important task of your daily routine. That is why it is said that people are very fond of walking on the walkways. There are many celebrations, events, especially weddings, which are celebrated with a lot of cultural touch. Every flavor is added to their likings, and all these flavors are extracted from their traditions and historical customs. Weddings are among the most important social events. Large numbers of relatives, friends, and neighbors participate in joyful celebrations featuring traditional music, dancing, generous meals, and colorful decorations. These celebrations strengthen family and community ties. So, whenever you do come here in Fargana Valley, it is highly recommended that find some place to enjoy the wedding. Kokand has a long tradition of skilled craftsmanship. Even if you are walking on the walkway, you will observe a wonderful artwork, be it in the form of fences or the decoration pieces fitted on the walls. Visitors can observe artisans producing embroidery textiles, ceramics, wood carvings, metalworks, and decorative handicrafts everywhere. Many techniques have been passed down through generations, preserving the city's artistic heritage. It is very common everywhere. On the other hand, the religious and cultural values are very important in Uzbekistan. Religion plays an important role in daily life while existing harmoniously with modern society. Mosques become especially active during Friday prayers and religious holidays. Modesty, kindness, generosity, and mutual respect are values that are widely practiced in everyday interactions. Young people in Kokand balance tradition with modern influences. The students attend schools and universities, use smartphones, enjoy cafes, and participate in sports while continuing the respect of family traditions and cultural values. This combination of old and new gives the city a unique character. As the weather cools in the evening, parks, public squares, and pedestrian streets become lively. A gathering places become very common. Families stroll together. Children enjoy playgrounds. Friends meet in cafes. And street vendors sell snacks in refreshments. The atmosphere is peaceful, safe, and welcoming. Such types of white spaces are very common around every corner of the city. These are the spots where evenings are enjoyed heavily. Let us ask about this place.
Es venite para los Estados Unidos. Как называется это место? Как называется это место? Вы говорите по-русски? ना по-английски English? Do you speak English? No? इसका नाम क्या है? फारसी आती है आपको? नहीं, फारसी भी नहीं आती. इसका नाम क्या है पार्क का? नाम पार्क का नाम नहीं पता. अच्छा, спасибо.
The young people are not only the source of latest information about anything, but also they are very curious, very welcoming to meet the tourists or foreigners and to share with them their important matters of life. As you continue to walk along these types of paths, you automatically discover a lot of wonderful spots. That is why it is said that if you have to reach a wonderful place, don't ask, rather continue moving and even don't follow the suggested paths. Keep moving and you will discover a wonderful life surrounding you. The evenings are a wonderful way to discover everything in Kokand. As the weather cools in the evening, parks, public squares, and pedestrian streets become lively, gathering places. Families and especially the kids enjoy these types of places wonderfully. Friends meet in the cafes, and in this way, you observe a very fascinating life during the evening time. Observing the people of Kokand offers a fascinating insight into the cultural heart of Fergana Valley. Strong family relationship, genuine hospitality, respect for traditions, vibrant community life, skilled craftsmanship, and a harmonious blend of heritage and modern living make Kokand one of the most culturally rewarding city to explore in Uzbekistan. It is highly recommended to spare some time to enjoy each and every sort of activity in Uzbekistan. Now, friends, come to Russian lesson 63. You know, we are basically discussing different types of verbs which are very commonly used in a daily conversation. Now, today we are discussing very few verbs which are special in the sense that present in ya form is a little bit modified. You introduce L in the present form as you see here. We are discussing today spot, mean to sleep. Now, it's observe the case 1, ya saplu. We have added L in this conjugation. Generally, 2, 3, 4 important verbs are like this one, and there is a modification only for the first case, ya. All the others are same what you have already done before. For example, 2, they speak. 3, on, ona, speed. 4, may, spim. 5, we spite. 6, ani, sipiat. So, you observe basically there is a little bit variation or a change in only case 1. All the other forms are exactly same, and same rule you have to apply for the practice lubit and gotovit. Lubit means to love, to like, and gotovit means to prepare or to cook something. So, make practice for lubit. Let I say, ya lublu, ya gotavlu. The remaining part of the conjugation you do it yourself, and the best way to do is make more and more practice whenever you find the time, and ultimately you will be master in learning the Russian language.